Arey, look at him. He will distribute. Okay.
After the performance of Asam dance, it will be followed up by a welcome speech from General Secretary of the
So I've been told that most of the Kaipeng people would prefer English. English? So, first of all, to all my Kaipeng people, I was told that it is getting late. But I wanted to be here with you. And is there any, Priya, इसके बाद कोई program है? Program है? There is program? Culture. So I don't want to leave this village now.
Hello.
मैं इस गांव को छोड़ना नहीं चाहता हूँ. I want to be in this village. I want to see the cultural program. You want to translate?
Irengpa itiha cultural dance ne amat itirinin himamon he atharang tunong khaiming ati serang nom khaiming am nograng king nom ati law enrang di nan phammo.
Somebody told me today, Rengpa, come for 2 minutes and then go. I said no. I want to come to the Kaipeng village and spend at least 1 hour or 2 hours with my Kaipeng people.
Luka marin kay rilatia 2 minute ring kay lilaw hong mangpuira ati hankom ay Rengpa ay ni didrinin at didramurang kin 2 minutes ring am naning ati am kiti program han ni hong mangpui kiti hong kiti ni law ti pega zang mo phama am ay Rengpa ha zang may ni adi nan phamo unaw ngay.
Rengpa believes in Thansa. You call it Munkhat. Because in the end, Kamal Koloy, Pathan, Lal Jamatia or Omnik Kaipeng. We call it Bukung Bara, you call it Narbung, but we are all brothers and sisters. So, Munkhat, you don't have to explain, I will say that. Munkhat, Thansa, for the community is more important than Munkhat in politics. I don't believe in politics. I believe in community, Dopha. And for me, Kaipeng may be only 10,000 people. But you are a part of our Tiprasa culture. You want to say that? Kaipeng may be only 10,000, but you are a part of our Tiprasa culture.
Kaipeng ha sangsom kabaw nanlaw zangkom Tiprasa din nanlaw zangay nilaw tiya.
Finally, we have one mission, one goal. Land is one, Pathian is one. And if Kaipeng, Jamatia, Koloy, Deb Burma, all the Tiprasas become one, Munkhat, then one day in our own land we will rule our state of Tripura.
Ay Rengpa di dan ha ay ningay ha adang dang namdang ay chong raang at chong makom ni kale ni ka ha ai ni ngai ha mun khat lau chang rei ti one nation lau chang rei ti ai ni lau ti pek zo prong lau pe do na ngai mun ki nei chang nu ta jang bai za ra ra ti ti na tak chu.
We are first Piprasa, we are Bukungbara or Narbung. We are not going to be divided as Kaipeng, Jamatia, Koloi. We are not going to be divided as Hindu or Christian. We are the son of the soil, Hani Busa, and as the son of the soil, I will always respect you and your people.
Ai ni ngai ha Narbong ngai Bukung para tinaha imo Narbong ngai ai ni ngai ha atu ring hima ai mun ai ha ai zaka ha ai ni sut thai ngai ni kali ni ka ha ai ringkin mun khat la chang rei ti ai ni lau ti pe ka.
We may be Hindus or Christians, but first we are the indigenous people of Tripura.
Hindu khom chang rei ti Christian khom chang rei ti han khom ai ni ngai ha indigenous people of Tripura ai ta ai nam ha a chang.
And the day we become one, we will win.
Mun khat ai chang nong ni kale ni ka hi nam tom te chang khom la rat rei ti tini nai ni lau ril pek.
Because we did not have Munkhat. You agree? Because we did not have Munkhat, we are suffering. But today, we must have Munkhat because we have to worry about your generation, the next generation of our people.
Mun khat ai chang magrinin avani ha ireng le chukmen. Mun khat ai chang kale ha ai ni adang dang lardom rei ti adang generation ai now ai tu ai te an generation ha anung la len rei ti mun khat ai chang nong hi.
My Samajpati, the headman, the head of the Kaipeng community, I want to honor him today by giving a seng. This has been a tradition that my grandfather, his father, or my ancestors have been doing, and I want to continue this tradition.
Avani ha ai reng pa ti katen ai rai rang ha seng khandai ha lau pe ati hamaha malayata kapungai chungata an lau pe greenin kai makhom zai hama lau zui rang kin kalau no malau ti hamari nin ai kai ping rai rang ha seng lau pe ati atun khandai lau pe ati.
My grandfather Maharaja Bir Bikram used to do this for 50-60 years. We have not done it, but I am starting this tradition of honoring our Rai.
In Maharaja Apu Bir Bikram lau pe greenin hamakhom atun ai Maharaja ha continue lau changati khandai ape kele ha ringkin lau pau rei ti. Endo himahi ai reng pa ni lau pek khandai ni lau pek hi pa ka pha ma oma
And finally, we say, Kamal aapne bola Piprasa Ayuk Lokthung, but in Kaipeng language, because we have to honor every language, right?
yes.
We have to respect every language, whether it is Kaipeng, Molsom, Rangkhol, Chorai, Ranglong, we have to respect every language.
Respect inian murang naha respect inian murang naha ai chungin Kaipeng chungin halau thorang anom rinin atun ai ring pa ha adam sort sa ai ni lau ti pegati ai ni ngai lau ti raiti.
So, Kamal Koloi, आपने बोला आयुक लोकथुम, but I know in Kaiping language it is
Adam Sodasa.
called Adam Sodasa.
Nautility.
Kaiping community Adam Dosa. Kaiping community Adam Sodasa. No, थोड़ा जोर से बोलना पड़ेगा.
Ringtrity unang ngay.
Kaiping community Adam Sodasa.
Sodasa.
Adam Sodasa.
Sodasa.
See, this is called Munkhat. I learned Adam Sodasa. You all are saying Ayuk Lokthong. That is the spirit of Narbung, Bukungbara, Hani Busa, the son of the soil. I love you. What do you say? I love you in.
Nanikidi.
Nani Kidi, I love you. And Rengpa will always fight for you. I don't want anything. I am going to be with you and I will stand with you. God bless you. Do you all say John Hai also? John Hai, John Hai. Good night, good night.